Ever wondered how some people not just grow their wealth but multiply it exponentially? Today I'll unravel my investment strategy inspired by the timeless wisdom of Think and Grow Rich. While the market's waves can be unpredictable, a solid strategy is your anchor. Ready to dive deep? Let's embark on this financial voyage where mindset marries methodology. 1. Clarity of purpose. Every monumental journey starts with a single purposeful step. Why am I treading this financial path? Investment isn't merely a transaction, it's a reflection of one's aspirations. My every financial move stems from a deep-rooted purpose. Whether it's to ensure a luxurious retirement, support a noble cause, or create a legacy, each investment resonates with a personal vision. This clarity acts as a guiding star, illuminating the path during uncertain times and keeping distractions at bay. With each stock acquired or asset purchased, I'd visualize a brick being laid in the grand edifice of my dreams. It isn't about fleeting trends but enduring visions, turning the abstract tangibles of hopes and desires into concrete financial assets. With this profound foundation laid, how do I navigate the labyrinth of investment avenues? 2. Educate before you invest. In an age of information, ignorance is a choice. But why is knowledge my most treasured asset? Before plunging into the tempestuous seas of investing, I arm myself with knowledge. Whether it's a buzzing stock, a promising startup, or a gleaming real estate property, I delve deep, scrutinizing its every facet. Books, journals, seminars, and mentorship sessions aren't just resources, they're investments in themselves. They fortify me against potential pitfalls and empower me to harness lucrative opportunities. By understanding the intricacies of an asset, I ensure I'm not swimming with the tide but directing my course, turning uncertainties into calculated risks. Armed with knowledge, how do I sail through diverse investment waters without capsizing? 3. Diversify but not dilute. While I treasure variety, why do I believe that in diversity lies strength, but in over-diversity, vulnerability? Diversification is my safety net, a strategy to cushion against the market's unpredictable tumbles. By spreading my investments across a spectrum of assets, I hedge against potential downturns. But there's a nuanced art to it. Over-diversification or scattering funds too thin can be counterproductive. It might dilute potential profits and complicate portfolio management. Hence, I strike a balance, diversifying enough to mitigate risks but concentrating enough to reap substantial benefits. It's about creating a harmonious investment symphony where each asset plays its distinct note yet contributes to the ensemble. With assets harmoniously orchestrated, how do I ensure they remain in tune over time? 4. Continual review. In the dynamic dance of finance, why do I believe that staying static is stepping backward? Investment isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game. The financial world is ever-evolving, with market dynamics, geopolitical events, and technological innovations perpetually reshaping landscapes. Hence, regular reviews are pivotal. By periodically evaluating my portfolio, I ensure alignment with my evolving goals and the changing market pulse. Whether it's rebalancing asset allocation, cashing in on a booming stock, or gracefully exiting a stagnating bond, continual reviews ensure I'm always in sync with the market's rhythm, optimizing returns and minimizing risks. While I harmonize with the market's present, how do I prepare for its future? 5. Embrace patience. In a world racing toward quick profits, why do I cherish the slow, steady journey? Investments, to me, resemble seeds. While they promise bountiful harvests, they demand time and patience. Short-term market fluctuations are but transient storms, and I've learned the virtue of looking beyond them. Patience isn't passive waiting, it's active anticipation, nurturing investments and giving them the time to flourish. Whether it's resisting the urge to sell during a brief market downturn or waiting for an asset to realize its full potential, patience has been my silent ally, ensuring I reap the fruits of my investment labors. Cultivating patience, how do I ensure I never miss out on a budding opportunity? 6. Stay curious. In the vast cosmos of investments, why do I believe every star has a story? The financial universe is vast, ever-expanding, and brimming with opportunities. My mantra has been to stay curious. This doesn't merely mean chasing the latest stock trend or jumping onto the newest investment fad. It's about cultivating a genuine desire to understand, to delve deep, to unravel the mysteries behind assets. By continually asking questions and seeking answers, I've often uncovered hidden gems before they became the talk of the town. This proactive curiosity, combined with rigorous research, has allowed me to spot potential pitfalls and harness opportunities, ensuring I'm not just following the crowd but carving my unique investment path. With an ever-curious mindset, how do I stay grounded amidst the swirling investment tempests? 7. Grounded in reality. Lofty dreams can touch the sky, but why do I believe the journey starts on solid ground? While the investment horizon gleams with potential, I've always recognized the importance of being grounded in reality. Every financial venture, no matter how promising, carries risks. By setting tangible, realistic goals, I ensure I'm not chasing mirages. It's about balancing optimism with pragmatism. Preparing for potential downturns, setting aside emergency funds, and having contingency plans have been integral facets of my strategy. By anticipating possible challenges and having strategies to navigate them, I ensure that I'm ready to weather any storm and sail smoothly toward my financial destinations. While staying grounded is vital, how do I connect with fellow travelers on this journey? 8. Leverage networking. In the intricate tapestry of finance, why do I consider every thread, every connection invaluable? They say that no man is an island, and this rings especially true in the world of investments. Networking has been an invaluable resource. Mingling with peers, experts, and even novices provides a broader perspective, exposes me to varied strategies, and occasionally offers golden insights. It's not just about leveraging others' expertise, but sharing my own, creating a symbiotic ecosystem where knowledge, experience, and insights flow freely. By attending seminars, joining investment clubs, or merely engaging in financial discussions, I've often received early warnings, hot tips, or even contrarian viewpoints that have enriched my investment strategy. As I weave a robust network, how do I fortify the most crucial aspect of my investment journey? 9. Cultivate a growth mindset. Assets, bonds, stocks might be tangible, but why do I consider the intangible mindset my mightiest asset? Beyond the numbers, charts, and trends, my investment journey is underpinned by a growth mindset. Embracing challenges, viewing failures as stepping stones, and constantly striving for improvement have been pivotal in navigating the tumultuous waters of finance. This mindset transcends mere financial growth, reflecting a personal evolution. Whether it's adapting to changing market dynamics, learning from missteps, or continually upskilling, a growth mindset ensures that I'm not just growing my wealth but evolving as an astute investor, always ready for the next challenge or opportunity. With a robust mindset in place, what's the final chord in my investment symphony? 10. Consistent contribution. Amidst grand gestures and lofty goals, why do I cherish the consistent, silent steps? The allure of windfall gains can be mesmerizing. However, I've learned the unmatched power of consistent contribution. Regular, disciplined investments, irrespective of market mood, have been cornerstones of my strategy. This not only cushions against short-term market volatilities, but ensures that my investments are continually growing. Be it the highs of bull markets or the lulls of bearish phases, consistent contributions combined with the magic of compound interest have woven a tale of steady, enduring growth, painting a picture of wealth not as a destination but a delightful journey. With these strategies unveiled, are you ready to carve your unique financial tale? Every saga, from epics to legends, had humble beginnings, echoing tales of trials, triumphs, and timeless truths. As we conclude our exploration of my investment strategies, inspired by Think and Grow Rich, I invite you to reflect, introspect, and perhaps even craft your strategy. While the market's waves might be unpredictable, remember that with the right strategy, every wave can be ridden, every challenge transformed into an opportunity. But as we part ways today, could there be a secret 11th strategy I've yet to unveil? If my tale resonated, if it sparked a thought or inspired a dream, do that thumbs up, share your investment tales, and ensure you subscribe for more financial journeys. Until our paths cross again, may your investments be wise, your growth unparalleled, and your legacy enduring.